It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day and a very good morning to one and all present here. Reverend Father Soni, Principal of our school, Reverend Father Jijo, Reverend Sisters, teachers, and my dear students. We all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. As India discovers herself again, we need to augment the value of system. We need also to come together to develop a nation of harmony, peace, and development. We need to build legacy that is free from prevalent negativity, free from prejudice, free from oppression and corruption. Our preamble to Constitution says, "We the people, not I. The journey from I to we to my mind is the journey of triumph of progress and advancement. Let us all strive to be on this journey." It is rightly said, perfect courage means doing unwitnessed what one should be capable of doing before the whole world. Every single Indian is filled up with the perfect courage as we stand together to put up a fight for unprecedented life, threatening disease with such a vast magnitude with the valiant Corona warriors all along the country. At the same time, our valiant soldiers are safeguarding our frontier from belligerent neighbors. Let us salute these Indians who have not let spirit of true India day down this testing times. हटा बंदिशें तू कर फतेह ये आसमान में, तू रूप है हर जीत का बस अगर तू ठान ले। पंख टूटे तो क्या, तू हौसलों से फिर नई उड़ान ले। ये वतन तेरा, तू इस वतन का कर्जदार है, तू केसरी दहाड़ के ये सारा हिंदुस्तान ले।
न पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, न पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी तो पहचान सिर्फ इतनी, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं। So, moving further, let us begin our day by flag hosting ceremony. But before, I invite our principal, Reverend Father Soni, to unfurl the tricolor national flag. I would like to share the importance and the significance of it. A resolution was passed in 1931 to adopt a tricolor flag as our national flag. The flag was saffron, white and green with Ashok Chakra at the center. The flag was adopted as the Free India national flag on July 22nd, 1947 by the Constituent Assembly. The saffron denotes renunciation, disinterestedness. Our leaders must be indifferent to material gains and dedicate themselves to their work. The white in the center is the light, the path of truth to guide our conduct. The green shows our relation to the soil, our relation to plant life here, on which all other life depends. The Ashok Chakra in the center of the white is the wheel of law of dharma, truth or satya, dharma or virtue, ought to be the controlling principle of those who work under this flag. Again, the wheel denotes motion. There is death in stagnation. There is life in movement. India should no more resist change. It must move and go forward. The wheel represents the dynamism of a peaceful change. So now I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Soni, of the St. to kindly step forward to unfurl our national tricolor flag to show our respect and veneration towards our United Nation. I also request Father Jijo, I request the PG teachers to escort our principal.
Let us pray together today for the whole nation. I request everyone to kindly stand and join for the prayer song.
Thank
students of class 10 and 12 who are going to present patriotic song स्वर्ग से सुंदर देश हमारा.
Dear Reverend Father Gijo Anthony, Reverend Sisters, dear and respected teachers and parents, and my dear children. It is a matter of great joy for me to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. 15th August 2021 is very special as it marks the beginning of the 75th year of India's independence. My hearty congratulations to all of you, the proud and young citizens of this great nation. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom, which was made a reality by the sacrifices of many freedom fighters, both known and unknown. Their great sacrifices made it possible for you and for me to breathe under the free skies of this great country. Let us bow in respect before the pious memory of these brave martyrs. As we look back to the 74-year journey of our country, we have reasons to be proud of the considerable distance we have already traveled. Mahatma Gandhi taught us that the slow and steady steps in the right direction are preferable to rapid strides in wrong directions. Today the world looks up to the miracle of India, home to the plurality of traditions and yet the biggest and most vibrant democracy. Dear students, I am sure you would have been very happy to be present as part of this campus celebration of Independence Day together with your friends. The patriotic songs sung by you, the beautiful steps on the stage with patriotic feelings and art colors, and the whole school campus becomes electric when young boys and girls come in white uniform, holding in their hands national flag with great pride and enthusiasm on Independence Day. We have been missing that experience for the second consecutive year due to COVID-19 pandemic. Let us pray the Almighty to free our world from this pandemic so that we are once again able to meet each other and continue our education most smoothly. Addressing the nation on the eve of the 75th Independence Day, His Excellency the President of the Republic of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind, lauded the efforts of COVID warriors of our country. Let me quote the President. The spirit of patriotism and sacrifice was paramount among our freedom fighters. They faced all types of challenges without caring for their own interests. I have seen that in the face of corona crisis, lakhs of people have taken enormous risk to protect others with a spirit of selfless service to humanity. I convey my profound appreciation for all such COVID warriors. Many of them succumbed to COVID-19. I pay homage to them. Unquote. Yes, dear children, we have also witnessed a well-concerted effort headed by the Prime Minister of our country, His Excellency Mr. Narendra Modi, the Chief Minister of our state, His Excellency Mr. Yogi Adityanath, and the District Collector of Gorakhpur, and other district collectors and their teams during this pandemic to protect the people of our country, to protect the people of our state, and to protect the citizens of the district of Gorakhpur. Hats off to each one of them, together with their team of leaders. Dear students, the government has permitted us to run the campus classes for the students of class 9 to class 12 from tomorrow, that is 16th August, Monday. I am sure that the class teachers have shared with you the needed information in class WhatsApp groups. We would expect all the students to strictly follow the COVID-19 protocols inside and outside school campus and prove yourselves to be responsible young citizens of India, our motherland. Campus Fair supported live Zoom classes for students of class 6th to 12th, started from 1st of August. We are happy to see that most of the students are joining the online live Zoom sessions. Students of classes 3 to 5 will move to this platform for online classes from 23rd August. Class teachers have started to work on it. Dear parents, we shall be providing you with new phone numbers in the coming week to contact the school office for different purpose. We believe this will facilitate the communication. It was brought to my notice that some parents and students are approaching the teachers of St. Joseph School, Paraba, for taking private tuitions. As a principal of the school, let me make it clear that teachers of St. Joseph School are not permitted to give any private tuition as per the service rules and conditions signed. We would encourage
From We are grateful to our principal, Reverend Father Soni, for his words of encouragement and guidance towards the right path, and also his stewardship, vision, unstinted support for this celebration during COVID-19 pandemic. I also thank Father Jijo for his kind presence. My heartfelt thanks to all the teaching staff, sisters, and my fellow classmates who took initiative in celebrating this special day. I owe a special gratitude to all the non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion become a memorable one. I thank you all for your preparation in making our 75th Independence Day a memorable one. Finally, I leave you this inspiring quote. आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं, तीनों रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।